Hey everybody, it's Chris with Luki Bike Adventures, and we went camping with American Indian Health and Family Services just a couple weeks ago. We did a lot of mountain biking. Well, I shouldn't say a lot. Some mountain biking, some trail riding. We did a night ride. We rode to beaches. We just had an absolute blast. It was everything that I was hoping for when I started Luki Bikes back in, October. When we're almost at a year at this point, coming up on it. And so it was just fantastic. But we did run into the problem that the kids didn't have a good way to carry like phones, snacks, any personal items they wanted. Some of them even couldn't carry water bottles because the, smaller bikes didn't have bottle cages on them. So I reached out to Revelate Designs and told them what we were doing and the problems that we ran into. And they sent us this. This is their jerry can. It sits on the bike where you strap it to the bike. So the seat post goes here and the top tube here. So it sits on top of the bike, kind of, by the seat. And you can open it up. And it's just the right size to hold, like, just the little personal things. If you got cell phone, or dang it, can't do it with one hand, it seems. A cell phone or snacks, your wallet, any little things like that you want to carry. You could put some, a little toolkit in here, and I think this will really help us. I do want to eventually get the kids into bike packing, and so this will be kind of an introduction to that, getting the kids bringing them stuff and carrying a bag on their bikes. I actually have not really opened it, so I don't know how many they sent us exactly. And so we got 2 of those, it looks like. And, okay, 3. And what else do we have here? This side. So this is the shrew. And it's a bigger bag, but this one mounts underneath the seat. And it's I believe it's a dry bag even. I have to do a little bit of research on it. But we got one in purple. This looks like, which one is this? This looks like the Nook. So I had purchased one of these for myself as to carry a first aid kit, and we have 2 riders, I guess coaches with us. So one person leading and another person being the sweeper. And I realized it would be awesome if we could have both lead and sweep having first aid kits. So I requested that they send us another one of these guys. And this works fantastic. I've been meaning to make a video to show you guys the first aid kit I put together. And this works. It's like the perfect size for it, and love it. And we did end up needing it, so I was glad we had it. Nothing major, just a little minor little incident, little boo-boos, but especially with kids, you want to have that. This looks like another shrew, but in black. What else have we got in here? There's a 3rd shrew. And Be Good Foundation. These are basically a tool roll. Kind of like they call it a tool cache. And so you can put tools in here. You can also use it as your wallet. So basically, it's got this hook that I realize I'm doing off screen. It is really hard doing this stuff left-handed, one hand, not even on a table. Make my own life hard, I suppose. See if I can get it. There we go. And open this guy up, and so it's got a spot, just like a little mesh bag here. And oops, you undo that little hook there, open that up, and that's where you can put a wallet or your ID or whatever. There's also a pocket, I think it's here, yep, right there. You can stick your cash, and then there you can fit different tools in there. you know, and this isn't going to be like a monster tool roll, but it's kind of a combination of a tool roll and a wallet. And then, so you can stick your smaller things in here and then stick that into one of your bags or in your pocket or whatever. And so I think this is just, oh, and we got some stickers. Stickers are always fun. Nice. Love it. So yeah, so this is awesome. So we got the Nook, 2 wallets, 1, 2, 3 shrews, which we can put, you know, inner tubes, maybe a small jacket, you know, any extra things you might carry. Like when we rode to the beach, we didn't really have a way to carry, like, you know, sunscreen, or somebody had, I don't know, sunglasses, you know, anything like that. Probably not big enough for a towel, but maybe some of the smaller pack towels we could bring. And 3 of these jerry cans. So I think this is awesome. I am super grateful. This is a company that I've always liked, like long before I started LukiBikes, long before I really got into this stuff. They're one of the first companies that I started buying their stuff. None of the, well, the Nook I bought previously, but I have a couple of the mountain feed bags and a, I forget what they call it. I think it's the egress pouch. Oh, actually, you know what? I've got it right over here. So I've had this for a couple years, and I like to keep this. This mounts to the handlebars, and you can use it to, I kind of just stuff like whatever bike stuff that I may need in here. Now, even if I don't, I use it more for storage, like in the home, and then I go in here and get whatever I need, like our lights or whatever. But I also will take it, especially when it's colder, so I can, you know, I stick things to keep me warm in here, gloves and whatever else. I don't use it as much in the summer, but I really like it for what I use it for. And I also have the mag tank, I think. But it's this really nice material. I was drawn to them because I really like the logo and the colors, and I thought the material looked and felt really nice. I think the designs are really cool. And very useful and kind of innovative. So they've been a company I've liked for a while, and I was so excited that they were so receptive to my request and sent us this stuff. And so yeah, I've always been a fan, so it's just really awesome. And they do a lot of really cool things. They have partnerships. I don't exactly know the exact nature, but it looks like they do involve do a lot for diversity and inclusion in the outdoors and education stuff, and to get people bike packing. So thank you so much to Revelate Designs. They're up in Alaska, which is awesome. U.S. company, and you know, they've been doing cool stuff, making great products for years. Thank you so much. This is going to make our trips and our bike packing and riding easier and more fun for the kids, and introducing them to the bike packing concept. And I am super excited. I'm hoping we can get a little trip maybe in the fall, and if not, we've got a few more rides coming up this summer. It's early August, so we've got 3 more rides scheduled before the end of the month, and we're definitely going to use this stuff and test it out, and you know, I'll do some reviews or something later on. So thanks a lot. Thanks for your support, everybody who's made donations and given us any encouragement or volunteered or anything like that. Links down below. Like and subscribe. I will definitely try to get some more videos out of us actually riding. I've been finding that it's difficult to ride and be engaged with the kids and coach and video and take photos. So I'm going to work on it on our next ride, see if I can do a better job of that and show you guys some stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.